new mill, like I said, I've been out there, and it's an exciting time. Even from the outside looking, I'm like, man, this is phenomenal. What part of the mill in Brenham is going to really set you guys apart from other mills?
So our capability is quite different than most pilgrim mills in the world. And when I say most, it's very limited. The groups that have capabilities in the size ranges that we have, especially in the alloys that we focus on. In the Western Hemisphere, we're pretty much we have the 3 largest pilgrim mills in the Western Hemisphere by far.
So the other 2, one's in Canton, Ohio,
and
then Mississippi?
We have the one we're installing right now in Brenham, and then the mill that we bought out of Mississippi last year, it's been removed and is located in a mix of Brenham and a storage facility that we have in Houston, and that'll be our next phase. Brenham would be installing that third mill that we bought. So we have 3 value propositions overall as a company: speed, quality, and reliability. Speed is definitely one of them, and we've produced orders as quick as 1 week from PO acceptance to release of material.
Wow.
Now that's I would not say that's the norm, but we are capable of that type of delivery if need be. But overall, our value proposition between speed, quality, and reliability is that we have the ability to do things that other people either don't want to do or are not capable of doing. And whether that's from a speed standpoint, to your point of yes, we can produce very fast if we need to. From a quality standpoint, we pride ourselves on meeting our quality metrics and making sure that we have a very high quality product going out the door that meets customer specifications and whatever other requirements there are that we need to meet. And from a reliability standpoint, we value the fact that if we say we're going to do something in a certain time frame, that we do it in that time frame.
Or how does that going to work together?
So you're right. There's 2 sides of our company: the pipe search and there's craft. Manufacturing side, basically our pipe sales side, pipe distribution. They support each other and they complement each other. There's been many times that we've looked at projects where there's a portion that we have that we can use from pipe search and fill the order, but we need to manufacture material as well to fill a portion of the order. Maybe it's just coupling stock because we need to provide couplings for a thread application. Maybe there's a short string of pipe or some different material that needs to be manufactured that we don't have in inventory or we don't have available on our network that we need to manufacture, and then vice versa. It allows us to really have a dual approach to how we look to satisfy and meet customer requirements. And it's really different than what's out there in the market available, to have both of those services, both of those capabilities under one roof and truly with one company, being CRA. One of the primary differences of the mills is outside of the location is the capability. So the Canton mill, we're able to go up to a certain size range, roughly about 11-inch input shells is what we're able to do on that mill. The mill in Brenham will be capable of inputting up to 14-inch shells, possibly larger if we decide to go larger, which is yet to be seen, because with the purchase of the most recent mill, there's capabilities there that we could possibly extend to past the 14-inch range with that mill. So it's just evaluating what juice is worth the squeeze there. So the other difference is obvious, being in the Houston area, Washington County being Houston area, in my opinion. A lot of pipe services are in the Houston area, and so we can easily get to those pipe services from Washington County, from Brenham, really quick and not with a lot of transport. Where now the Brenham mill, we'll be able to do some different things with the Brenham mill, being that it's at a CRA-owned facility, it's CRA employees. We'll be capable of being able to do some different things, work some different hours. There'll be an increase in capacity that we'll be able to utilize from this mill for sure.